This isn't just a farmhouse. It's an 1800s masterpiece brought back to life, where every upgrade meets undeniable old world charm. Sitting quietly on over 6 acres at the end of a peaceful dead-end road, this North Anson estate is where history, privacy, and craftsmanship all come together in a way that feels almost unreal. The setting is classic Maine, rolling green, towering trees, open sky. But the moment you step inside, you realize this home is something rare. The original character has been preserved with incredible care. Refinished hardwood floors, period-correct details, warm natural light, and the kind of craftsmanship you just don't get in modern builds. Every room feels intentional, authentic, and beautifully lived in. With 4 bedrooms, a bonus room, and 2 full baths, the layout blends historic charm with functional, everyday living. And here's the best part. This isn't a museum piece. Over the past year, the home has been thoughtfully updated so you can enjoy the charm without sacrificing comfort. A new heat pump, pellet stove, hot water tank, and other essential improvements ensure efficiency and convenience year-round. It's truly the perfect pairing, 19th century soul with 21st century practicality. Step outside, and the magic continues. You've got over 6 acres of private land to explore, breathe, and enjoy. There's a fully fenced 1-acre garden ready for vegetables, flowers, or an at-home homestead vision. Wander a little farther and you'll find the river just behind the barn, offering serenity, exploration, or the simple joy of dipping your toes in during warm summer months. The classic barn, straight out of a Maine postcard, offers endless potential. Storage, workshop, studio, animals, expansion, you name it, it's ready for whatever you imagine. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle, a retreat, a preserved piece of Maine history waiting for its next steward. If you've been searching for soul, space,